One other tip about these any hand plane is I like to wrap them in like a sock. For instance, this little block plane fits into an old sock. Um, Helps with moisture and protects it from rust a little bit. This one, they actually sell plain socks, they call them. Um, you don't have to. You can just use a regular sock and somehow close off the end. But I got these socks at a flea market for almost nothing. So I grabbed them, and it's good to put your plane in those. You know, maybe also oil them after you're done. Protect them from moisture in the air. I'm not religious about that part, but I keep an eye on all the rust. So just a little tip there, and I hope you get a little bit of some tips out of this that maybe you could use.